Gopi, they become very angry. How possible you are Bhagavan? Aushchate nalina nava padar vindam jogeshwari yadi vichinta agada bodhi sangsara kupa patitotarammanam yagusam bhavati yaha griha. This verse is saying this way. Ye Aushchate nalina nava padar vindam jogeshwari yadi vichinta agada bodhi. Hey Krishna, you told you are Bhagavan. Krishna told, Ye Mahi Bhakti Bhutana Amrita. That means everybody should devotion towards me because I am Bhagavan. So Gopi, they become very angry because Gopi, they don't want to listen and Krishna is Bhagavan. And when they heard this katha, Krishna is Bhagavan, they become very angry. Because Krishna has no symptoms of Bhagavan. Gopis are saying, if you do Bhagavan, what is your Atma Ramata, Atma Kamata? Who is Bhagavan? Yes, two things always there. What is it called? Atma Ramata and Apta Kamata. Self-satisfied and fulfill all his desires. And so this is not your Atma Ramata and Atma Kamata. And so Gopi, they don't want to listen this word. Krishna is Bhagavan. For this Gopi, they become very angry. So, Aushchate Nalinava Padarvindam Jogeshwari Vijinta Agada Bodhi. Everybody have to devotional service to Krishna. Who is doing this? Those who are very intelligent. Well, who is the intelligent person, Gopi is saying? Brahma. Agado Bodha. That means Brahmaji, he has vast of knowledge. So these types of katha, you have to say to Brahmaji, not to us. Nahi Gopi Yogeshwar. Gopi, we are not Yogeshwar. We are not Brahma, not Shiva. Why? Brahmaji, he meditate your lotus feet. Why? Because Brahmaji, he wants to deliver from this material world. Gopis told, we don't want to deliver from this material world. And we want to stay in here. On the other hand, we have no any attachment. And who wants to deliver from this material world? Who is attachment? Then he praying, I will give up all my attachment. Then I will deliver. Yogis, they are doing these things. According to the yoga process, they try to control to the mind, to lotus feet of Krishna, and detach from all the material things. Gopis, they are saying this way, and Dhyasmriti nahi jar sangsar kup kahan tar. Even Gopis, they have no bodily conception. Even they have no attachment or relationship with their family members. Gopis saying this way. So why you are saying you are Bhagavan and also everybody have to worship lotus feet and deliver from this material world? So Gopi is saying this way. Aushchate nalinanava padarvindam Jogeshwari hidi vichinta agada bodhi. Brahmaji, he can meditate your lotus feet. Why? Then Gopi, another hand, Brahma Bhav, left wing smooth. Gopi is all very angry. And chastisement to Krishna also. Brahma, his mind or his intelligence, very, very low graded. That is a less intelligent person. Durbuddhi. Durbuddhi understand? Less intelligent. Why? Because Brahmaji is thinking you are Bhagavan. Another hand, Brahmaji is less intelligent. Why? Because Brahmaji manifested from the navel of Brahmaji manifested in the, what is it called? Lotus. A lotus connected with the mud. You don't understand? So associate with whom? Mud. So Brahma associated with mud. Mud is what? Useless. If you associate with a bad person, bad relationship will come. Bad feeling will come. And so the Brahma is called Jada Buddhi Wali. Jada Buddhi Wali is less intelligent. They also criticize to Brahma. Criticize to Krishna. We are not Brahma. You give them this types of knowledge can give to Brahma, Shiva, to them. Because they want to deliver from this material world. For this regard, they meditate your lotus feet. But what will say, when we will remember your lotus feet, then our heart melted. Why? Because when you walk in Braj and chasing behind the cows, that time your feet feeling so much pain. So these types of thinking coming in our heart and heart melted. Ye Krishna, how are you to chasing behind the cows? Chalasi jada brajan charayana prasun nalina Chalasi jada brajan charayana prasun nalina, I forget. When Krishna is going to herding the cows and running behind the cows, that time Gopi's mind will disturb. How Krishna is running behind the cows? Because cows, they can go anywhere. Because they have hooves. They are not feeling any pain. They can walk, cows, they can walk on the stone, everywhere. But you are also running behind the cows. That time you are so much feeling pain in your feet. And that's when we are thinking this, then our heart melts and tears falling down. Even when we are meeting with you, Sambhog Mahilila, and Jatte Sudha Chacharanam Bujo Ruhastana Subhita Suni Dodivyo Dodimio Korkore Sustena Otobasi Tabiton Botinang Ayusana. Even when in our Sambhog Mahilila we meet with you, and that time we are afraid to keep your lotus feet on our chest, because our chest is very hard. How to keep your lotus feet on our chest? When you are thinking this, then our heart melted. So how possible to meditate your lotus feet? Because Krishna is saying, hey gopis, if you want to deliver from this material world and detach from everything, so you can meditate my lotus feet. Because Brahma, Shiva, they are meditate my lotus feet. So gopis, they become very angry. So saying, Auschate Nalyanava Padarvindam Jogeshwari Hridi Vichinta Agadavodi. You can give this type of instruction, Brahma and Shiva, those who are very intelligent. You can say. You cannot give this type of instruction to us. You meditate my lotus feet. So gopis, they chastisement. Sansar kub nahi tar. Smriti nahi yaar, sansar kub kahan par. Gopi saying, even we have no bodily conception. So how possible we are binded in our sansar understand, with the attachment with our families. We have no son, have no husband, no children, no wealth, money, everything. Only one thing, hey Govinda, you are our only one. This is the thing. So why did you give this type of instruction to us? Mai bhakti bhutanam amrita kalpati. We do devotional service to men. We have to puja. You lotus feet. Arey, you do puja to us. Puja, understand? Worship to us. We will never puja to you. Who will do archan? Vaidhi Mari. They do archan, take incense, ghee, lamps, do the gopis and we. Gopis also do archan. That is another type of archan. How they are doing archan, gopis? Nano utparita tun gopo gopi sangham britam. Gopis, they also do archan to Krishna with their glands. What are the glands? They become very angry with their gland chastisement to Krishna. But this is their archan. Gopis archan this way. With their romantic saddle glands. They are doing archan to Krishna. Archan is everywhere. One is archan, the Vaidhi Marga archan. And with the rules and regulation of the scriptures, taking the all kinds of paraphernalia, incense, then ghee wicks, this doing archan. This is the Vaidhi Marga archan. Stav Stuti Govindam Adi Purusang Tamahang Bhajami Govindam Adi Purusang Tamahang Bhajami. Gopi will say this word. Hat Govinda Adi Purusang Bhajami. And Gopi will say, Krishna, you do bhajan to us, you are said to us. Gopi they will say. Gopi they will be not say, never say Govinda Adi Purusang Krishna, you are Adi Purush. अरे आदि पुरुष नहीं, आदि मानवी श्रीमती राधिका. Krishna, you are not. You worship the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Understand? This is the thing. Uddhav also recited this verse. What is the verse? Very nice. Sometimes I am speaking. In Brahmad Gita, I also wrote this verse. Very nice. Gopi, what is called? Raso Mahagustham. In the Ras Mahagustha. And Gopi, Krishna also worship the chest of the gopis. This way, nice katha is there. Okay, so just first verse, Mai Bhakti Bhutana Amrita to Kalpate. When Krishna told this katha, this verse, then Gopi Devi become very angry. Because Krishna is saying, I am Bhagavan and you have to worship to me. Everybody have to devotional service towards me. Gopi said, so for this Gopi they become very angry. Because Gopi they don't want to listen, Krishna is Bhagavan. Because Gopis, their life is practical life. And they have Sahaja Prem. Sahaja Prem means spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. Sahaja Gopir Prem Nahe Kabhu Kam. Krishna Das Kabira. Sahaja Gopir Prem. Sahaj means spontaneous. Their love and affection with Krishna. That is called Sahaja Bhav. Natural. From their birth, their love and affection with Krishna, that is called Janma Siddha. Janma Siddha from their birth. This is that. But still Jiva Goswami Pad also in his Sandarbha explained, actual when Mother Jasoda bind to Krishna, the Bandhan Lila, when Krishna was only 3 years old, 2.5 years to 3 years old, and when that time Gopis they noticed to Krishna how Krishna completely was helpless. Then Krishna is shedding tears, his lips completely dry, and Krishna completely helpless. Then when Gopis saw this Krishna's this types of form, then Gopis' heart melted. Then Gopis' love towards Krishna. Prem manifested 3 ways. One is called Sravan Jato Prem. Sravan Jato, listen, glorification of someone, then your attachment, love and affection will come. That is called Sravan Jato Prem. Darshan Jato Prem, taking darshan to him, then love and affection coming. Or another is called Janma Siddha, Sahaja Prem. This is for the guy, Sahaja Gopir Prem, Nahe Kabhu Kam. Gopi's love and affection towards Krishna is spontaneous, no lust, not anything. Krishna Das Kavira, Sahaja Gopir Prem, Nahe Kabhu Kam. So now coming in this way, Gopis, they're thinking Krishna, he is our family member. That is called Lokik Sadbandhu Bhatpriti. What is that? You cannot forget the love and affection of your parents. Because it's spontaneous, blood relationship. That is called Janma Siddha. In this material world, though this is called the material love, that is called Jada Prem, but this is called Janma Siddha. Mother, she loves her children. That is Janma Siddha. Janma Siddha understand? From giving the birth, the baby, from that day automatically they have love and affection. These are Janma Siddha. Sata Siddha, Janma Siddha, many words we are using. Spontaneous. Not to prove to others way. And love, this love is not can prove. Why did you love to him or her? Love is as like blind. Love, prem andha, premandha. Why? Prem does not look any qualification. Prem, that is called heart to heart, is coming spontaneous from the inner core of the heart. Prem, love is not dependent on any qualification. Prem is not dependent on it. If the qualification, that prem is called what prem? Upadhi Yukta prem. The prem depends on that prem and coming from their designation. You know designation? Upadhi. Oh, he is very qualified. He is learned, scholar. He speaks very nice, sweet words. Understand? So these types of prem, when you attach that prem is, that is called Upadhi Yukta prem. Gopis, their love to Krishna, no Upadhi. Gopis, they did not look Krishna's any qualification. And what is the qualification of Krishna? Tell to me. If you ask to the Gopis, hey Gopis, you love to Krishna, what is the qualification of Krishna? What is the form of Krishna? Stupid nonsense. He is three-band-fold, Tribhanga. And if anybody is this way, you will not like. What is he? He is very restless, no Gambhir. Restless. As like bumblebee and honeybees going one flower to another flower. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Honeybees or bumblebees not staying in one flowers. From morning to evening. And flying one flower to another flower. Buzz, 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 buzz. In the same way, Krishna is not one-pointed. But he is one-pointed. He goes to one gopi to another. Gopi, they gave up everything for Krishna. But Krishna is not one-pointed any gopi. So what is the qualification of Krishna? If you ask to the gopi, so maybe your question is gopi, maybe ask, hey gopis, so why did you love to Krishna? But this is our Sahajata. Asitana Sakkai. We don't want to make friendship with the Asita. Sita means Asita, means Krishna. Why? Because he is not one party. We give everything, but he does not want to give it. He gave us going to Mathura and meet with Kubja. Swendri Kubja. Swendri, understand? Swendri means those who, that lady, those who decorate the kings or queens, combing and different kinds of activities. That is Sanskrit word, that is Swendri. One kinds of ladies or men, they are, this is their, as like you can think, that's like beauty parlor. Understand? Understand? Beauty parlor people, if you go, then your dress is very nice, hair dresses even. So actually Sanskrit word, that types of ladies or gents called Swendri. Actually they, Kubja, she was Swendri. Kubja, she every day used to go to the palace of Kamsa and dressing Kamsa's hair and putting chandan. Have you been hairdress? Beauty parlor?
Yes.
Why?
Cut my hair.
Oh, cut my hair. Okay. Understand? I never been. Okay. So she was Swindri. We are very nice, beautiful young girls. You give up us and running behind the Kubja. Very ugly. Sometimes I also joke. When Krishna entered in the Mathura, in the arena of Kamsa, and that Krishna Balaram both are going. Then Kubja, she is going to palace of Kamsa because she is Santri to decorate Kamsa's hair and put chandan. This is her duty. No one looking to her because she was very ugly, and also she walks this way, understand? Zigzag. Taking one hand the basket of the flowers or some her,
Material for the bed.
how is it called? Some things. No one looking to her. But Krishna is saying, "Hey Sundari, hey nice girl." Then one time told Krishna, 2 times, 3 times. Then Kubja said, who is using this word Sundari? And in my life, no one called to me Sundari. Maybe someone called to others. Sundari, understand?
Yes.
A beautiful teenage girl. Then Kubja turned his face. Then Krishna saying, that time Kubja is saying, "Hey gentlemen, are you speaking? You want to speak with me?" But yes. Yes. Kubja, this is first time he heard this word. Someone called to her. What is that? Sundari. Kubja Sundari. This is her first life. Because no one in her life, no one called this word. Understand? Understand? And okay, Kubja's heart melted. This is the first time someone called her Sundari. Maybe joked or true. Anyhow. If I told, oh, you are beautiful, you are not beautiful. You are not good. You have to say you are good. Something you have. This is the nature. So Kubja's heart melted. Okay. Then Krishna said, okay, handshake. Understand? This is called the etiquette. Okay. Kubja is thinking, how possible? Then Baladev Prabhu said, hey, Krishna, what you are doing? You do know, this is not the Braj. You can do Braj, Gopi, everything, handshake or do anything. This is Mathura Puri. Here, Jadavas, they are living. They are very strict rules and regulation. If they will see your handshake with Kubja, then all Jadavas will come and taking one of the bamboo stick and bitali with you. Then Krishna told, Baldev bhai, dao bhai. Krishna told, this is my nature. How can I give up my habits? Okay, dao bhaiya, mane Baladev. Slowly, I give up my this types of habit, Braj habits. Then Baladev Prabhu told, no, Krishna, You have to have follow rules and regulation. Because this is called Mathura Puri. This is Mathura Puri. Follow the rules. Okay. Then Krishna told, hey Kubja, to put some, what you are bringing? Well, I am bringing some sandalwood paste for the Kongsa. Kongsa, he is my uncle, Mama. Mama understand? Mama means uncle. Mama Sri. Mama Sri understand? Not understand, he doesn't know Mama Sri. Mama Sri, mother's brother. So Kongsa is my good relationship. And so you can put, maybe Kongsa will be happy. Look, we are going to also meet with Krishna, Kongsa, and giving very nice, beautiful presentation. What is the presentation? Before Kongsa, he also killed Kubalai Hasti, the elephant, and taken and hold the two, what is it called? Tusk of the elephant. And take, look, this is it. Then Kubja thinking, oh, this is good. Must be relationship with Kongsa. So Kubja, he also decorate Krishna's face with the, what do you call it, sandalwood chandan. Do this. But how will do? Kubja cannot do this. She is very
It's okay. Bent.
bent. Then Krishna just pressed her, what is it called? Thumb, toe. Do this way, and another hand Krishna pressed in her chin. Then Kubja completely what?
Straight.
Vrindavan. Then Kubja decorated to Krishna. So now coming in this way. Krishna, gopis, their prem towards Krishna, that is called Sahajata prem, spontaneous. Janma Siddha. Janma Siddha prem. Gopis. And gopis, they never believe Krishna is Bhagavan. And in their life, they did not see any symptoms of Bhagavan and in the body of Krishna. No Bhagavat Chinna. And by Yogmaya, Gopi, they never believe Krishna is Bhagavan. Only they know Krishna is their family member. These are family. Loki Sadbandhavat Priti. This thing. So for this regard, when Krishna told, Mahi Bhakti Bhutana Amrita, then they become very angry.
So why does Krishna say that? Why does he say, I am Bhagavan?
Krishna is saying, Bhagavan, why you are crying and because Krishna is saying this Bhagavan, this is first Bhagavata, this is the nature. Everybody to love to Bhagavan, this is the nature. Everybody love to Krishna. Everybody love to Bhagavan. That means Krishna, he wants to prove why I have come here to Braj, to Mathura. Why? Because I am Bhagavan, I have many duty and responsibilities. You are not only my devotee. The Jadavas, they are my devotee. Naradishi also told to Krishna, hey Krishna, you descended from Golok Vrindavan, this Bhoma Vrindavan. Yet why? Not only to protect the Brajavasis, your duty also to Mathuravasis. Mathuravasis, they are also your devotee. Mathuravasis, they are the residents of Mathura. They are also your devotee. Not only gopis. And especially Devaki and Vasudev, Ugrasen, they are in the jail and they are suffering. And all the residents, they also tortured by Kongsa. Your duty, Paritrana sadhunang vinasaya duskritam dharma sansthapanartha sambhavami juge juge. You promised every yuga you have to come when the demon disturbance, the varnashram dharma, and destroys all everything. You have to kill the demons. This is your duty, not this is too. And so for this regard, Krishna saying these things, Krishna tried to pacify to the gopis. Hey gopis, why you are crying for me? And I'm the everybody love to me. So I have to give love and affection. What is it called? Reciprocal. You know, reciprocal.
Yeah, reciprocate.
Reciprocate to everyone. Eh? You love me. If I not love you, this is not the love. This is what is called akritagya, ungratefulness. If anyone love to me, I have to reciprocate. Eh? This is true. Dadati pratigannati. You give me, or I will not. What is called? You back anything. That time you are thinking, oh, this person is completely Majar. Maybe you not say in front of me. He did not give anything to us. Love is coming this way. So Krishna want to establish this katha Bhagavan. Everybody love to me, so I have to reciprocate. These things. So Gopi, you love to me. This is true. And I am staying with you 10 years with you. And in this way we love and affection with her. Now I have come here because the Jadavas, they also my devotee. Because Narada Rishi told to Krishna, hey Krishna, why you are always staying in Braj? You have to go Mathura. And especially Nanda, Jasoda. You accept them, their father or parents or not, this is another question. But still they are also your devotee. Day and night crying for you. Devaki Vasudeva crying or not? 10 years, they are more than 10 years, they are suffering in the jail of Kamsa. Day and night they are crying for you. Kamsa giving so much torture of the residents of Mathura. So you have to go there. So Krishna want to establish this way. Hey Gopi, you are my best devotee. This is true. In the same way, Mathuravasi, they are also my devotee. So this is my duty. For this regard, Krishna told, I am Bhagavan.
Does he think he is Bhagavan sometimes?
Who?
Krishna.
Krishna?
Because it seems that he thinks he is Bhagavan at this
Yes.
moment.
Because who is Bhagavan? That time one, two things. Sarvagata and Mukdata. Sarvagata, all-knowing power. And sometimes you are completely innocent. This is the symptom of Bhagavan also. This is the thing. Viruddha bhav. Viruddha means completely opposite things in staying with Bhagavan. Viruddha bhav, staying, it is who is Bhagavan. Sarvagata and Mukdata. All-knowing power is Krishna. So Krishna tried to, in this way, I am Bhagavan. Why? To pacify to the gopis. Hey gopis, keep patient. But coming is what? Opposite way.
Yes.
Try to pacify to gopis, but fire
Yeah, increase.
can be there. As like just giving the ghee in the fire, you are thinking maybe I put the ghee in the fire, maybe fire will be
No,
down. But what happened? Fire
more up.
going up, increasing.
Okay.
That is when Krishna used this word, I am Bhagavan, and everybody have to devotion towards me. Then Gopi they become very angry. Because Gopi they don't want to listen Krishna is Bhagavan. They don't want to listen anything from anything. But sometimes when they are feeling separation, that time just they Purnamasi Devi is khobri kharab ho gayi. Purnamasi Devi brain not working because she is saying Krishna is Bhagavan. But they gave respect to Purnamasi Devi because she is older lady. Uma Didi. Sometimes you don't want to listen her advice. Oh, okay, she is saying this is good. But in your heart, you don't want to accept. In the same way, when Purnamasi Devi, she says, hey gopis, listen, Krishna is Bhagavan. Okay. But they don't believe Krishna is
Bhagavan.
Do you understand? It's the same way gopis done. But in the Birha Dasa, that time they remember, oh, maybe Purnamasi Devi, she told us Krishna is Bhagavan. Actually, this is that they are not own conception. Just they are lending this word. Lending, understand? Borrow the words of Purnamasi Devi. Understand? Just they repeat this word. Actually, this is not their word. This is the
And,
You said that at the same time, their heart melted also.
The second verse coming, Mahi Bhakti Bhutana Amrita Kalpate. This is the first verse, first line when heard, Gopi they become angry. Just I 1 hour speak to you. Then second verse is second line, what is saying? Mahi Bhakti Bhutana Amrita Jatsipno Modasin Bhavatinang Madapane. Krishna told this verse, hey Gopis, why you have come here? Because you have so much love and affection with me. You did not come. You and my this in the middle. That's the love. Prem. Prem is staying in the middle. And why you have come here? Because you love to me. For this regard, and your love is good. Madapanam. Krishna use this word. Madapanam means this one. You have so much mamatva. Two kinds of mamatva. One is called, he belongs to me, I belongs to him. Which one you love? Except Krishna belongs to you or you belongs to Krishna? Fala.
Krishna belongs to me.
Krishna belongs to me. I belongs to Krishna. This is not so thick. Understand? Krishna belongs to me. This mamata. That is called madapan. Mamata possessiveness towards Krishna two ways. One is called Gitasneha, another is called Madhusneha. Gopi is there, that is called Madhusneha. Krishna belongs to ours Krishna, my Krishna. I belongs to Krishna. This prem little bit, that is called Taral. Taral means
Thin.
thin.
This is Chandravali.
Understand? Thin. You understand? Yeah. Gopis, they are thinking Krishna belongs to us. Rukmini Satyabhama, Sakyatyabhama. They are thinking we belongs to Krishna. Sakyatva, Parakyatva, Premas. These types of mamata is coming. Sakyatva, Prem, we belongs to Krishna. Rukmini Satyabhama. They are relation to husband and wife. For this regard, Rukmini Satyabhama, thinking we belongs to Krishna. Or Gopis, they are Parakyatva Bhav. For this regard, they are thinking Krishna belongs to us. This mamata. But I give an example in this material. Mother never says, I belongs to my son. This son belongs to me. Mama Putra. Mama Putra, my son. Mother never says, I belongs to my son. Mother always says, my son. This mamatta. But this mamatta more and more increasing and absolutely manifested in the heart of the gopis in the Parakyatva. So when Krishna used this word, Bhavatina Madapana, hey Krishna, hey gopis, you are belongs to me, or I belongs to you. When heard these things, this word, second line, Understand? Then Gopi's heart melted. This is true. Eh? The Krishna belongs to her. And these types of prem, and Krishna very humble also saying, hey Gopis, why you have come here? Because you love me. Your love towards me, this is by force, eh? Pulling through. Eh? You sometime given your son in England, in hospital. Eh? What will do? When you heard your son is sick and she is admitted in a London hospital, what will do? Eh?
Not there.
You have to go. Yeah. Why? Because this prem towards your son, Vatsalabha, bringing to. And prem bringing this. Yeah. This is that. In the same way Krishna told. Here Gopis, your love is higher than me. For this regard, you have come from Braj to here. I am not going towards you. That means my prem towards you, that is very thin. Krishna is honestly saying these words. Eh? But your prem towards me, that is very thick. For this reason, you have come here. Eh? So when heard this katha, then Gopi's heart melted. Then Gopis are thinking, this is true. Eh? How they have love and affection. Eh? This is true. Krishna also many times show. What is so? This verse, hey Gopis, I cannot repay your debts. What is the sloka? No parahang nirvadang samjang sasadu krita bevadu sabhivo jama duljan dhir sinkhala samvishya pratijatu sadhu. Krishna told these things. When heard this katha or Gopis, they remembering Krishna these types of sweet words, then Gopis heart melted. Good Prema. Not good paper. Finish. After packing my luggage and saving, take prasad, then go. Santosh. There was a TV program. Happened.